Hey everybody, we are here today to talk about how to read the room when you're in person, and these are some specific skills that you as a speaker want to be collecting as you're elevating and as we're working together. So we also have a video on how to read the virtual room, which is a totally different animal. But how to read the room in person invites a lot more information that you can gather. You're in the room with people, you can see them head to toe. This is a massive advantage. In a Zoom room, we only have from the shoulders up. And in a real room, there is an actual energy that is present that really is difficult to detect and produce in a virtual environment. So when you are running a workshop, for example, or you have some sort of keynote or presentation, you can read the room, and especially when it comes to eye contact and posture. So your number one tip around reading the room in a real room is to watch for body position. How are people sitting, and are they looking at you? Are they paying attention? What is happening with their body posture? Okay. Number two way to read the room is to listen. Listen for the presence of questions. Listen for people who are commenting and participating. Is that happening? Because if you're getting kind of a, flat line from your audience and there's no one asking questions, there's no one speaking, doing anything, you are probably in need of a place where you can toss the ball to your audience and invite some conversation. So we do want to make sure there's back and forth in sessions or even short talks. I have coached folks on giving 5-minute pitch presentations, 6-minute overviews of their businesses, and you still can do a read of the room to determine what people are grabbing and how people are acting in terms of their understanding. So the third and final thing that you can do in person to read the room is just monitor other people's activity in terms of how they're doing other work. Are they doing other work? Are they standing up to go get food? Are they moving around? Are they talking to each other? Are they focused on you? There are some things that hopefully they're doing to write things down, to study, to go back and forth to their note-taking in their computer and looking up at the screen, raising their hands, and inviting you to collaborate with them in a Q&A opportunity. So in the beginning of an in-person presentation that you're giving, tell your audience the expectation for participation so they know what to do. Are you okay with questions as you're going through things? Tell them that. Are you waiting to the end because you really want to make sure to cover certain things before you open it up for discussion? Tell them that too. So those are 3 ways to read the room. Watch for body posture and eyes. Number 2, take note of what is happening around the room in terms of activity. And then also number 3, pay attention to their attention. Do you have it? And can you adjust so that you can bring people back into the fold and ensure that there's communication flow going back and forth, even if you're the only one talking. Nonverbal communication is 70% or more of our collective communication. Only 30% is verbal. So you're getting a ton of messages in that room. Make sure you know how to read it and that you're up to speed on that language. All right, I'll talk to you in your session. Hope that was helpful.